Do you know you have a superpower? Nope, not flying or becoming invisible, something even better. It's a power that can change your life, your mindset, and your future. And guess what? You're already using it. Do you know you have a superpower? Nope, not flying or becoming invisible, something even better. It's a power that can change your life, your mindset, and your future. And guess what? You're already using it. Let me explain. This superpower is called your mindset. Sounds simple, right? But don't be fooled by its simplicity. Your mindset is the lens through which you view the world, and it can shape your reality in profound ways. But here's the catch. Your mindset controls everything. It influences how you perceive challenges, how you react to setbacks, and even how you approach your goals. Think about it. When you face a problem, do you think, "This is too hard, I give up"? Or do you see it as an opportunity to learn and grow? Your initial reaction can make all the difference. Or do you think, "This is a challenge, and I'll figure it out"? This positive approach can unlock new possibilities and solutions you never thought possible. One mindset shuts the door. It limits your potential and keeps you stuck in a cycle of self-doubt and fear. The other one opens it wide. It invites opportunities, growth, and a world of new experiences. It's called a growth mindset. And here's why it's like magic. A growth mindset empowers you to embrace challenges, persist in the face of setbacks, and see effort as the path to mastery. It transforms obstacles into opportunities and turns dreams into achievable goals. Imagine two friends, Allie and Sarah, trying to learn a new skill. Let's say skateboarding. They both start with enthusiasm, eager to master the art of balancing on a board and performing tricks. The sun is shining and the skate park is bustling with energy. Allie falls once and says, "Nope, I'm not good at this." He feels embarrassed and frustrated, thinking that maybe skateboarding just isn't for him. He sits on the bench watching others glide effortlessly. Sarah, on the other hand, falls 10 times and says, "Okay, I'm learning." Each fall is a lesson for her. She gets back up, dusts herself off, and tries again, determined to improve with every attempt. Who do you think will master it faster? Sarah. Her persistence and positive attitude make all the difference. She understands that every failure is a step closer to success, because she believes that failure isn't the end, it's part of the journey. Sarah celebrates small victories, knowing that each one brings her closer to mastering skateboarding. Her journey is filled with ups and downs, but her spirit remains unbroken. And here's the fun part. You can train your brain to think this way. It's not just about positive thinking, it's about creating new neural pathways that make you more resilient and adaptable. Imagine your brain as a garden. The more you nurture it with positive thoughts and actions, the more it flourishes. Science shows that when you face challenges and keep going, your brain actually grows stronger, like a muscle. Each time you push through a difficult situation, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Your brain is rewiring itself to handle stress better, and to find solutions more efficiently. So the next time you're stuck, remember, it's not "I can't." It's "I can't. Yet." This small shift in mindset can make a huge difference. Embrace the struggle because it's a sign that you're growing. Every obstacle is an opportunity to become stronger and more capable. Your mindset is your superpower. Use it wisely. If you learned something today, share this with someone who needs a little boost. And remember, every failure is just a step closer to success. Keep growing, keep learning, and believe in your power. You've got this.